Artist, how are you? I think you are good. I am also good. Today I have come to my university and I will show you some inside picture of my university and some inside look of my university. So I have come my university with my friend. You can see he is Yash and he is Sandeep. The name is Sandeep and first, I would like to tell you about me that I am myself Aman and I am from Ayodhya. I am pursuing my BSc in Mathematics and Electronics. This is my third year. I mean, this is my final year. So I am going to show you some special things of this university. And so you can see this is my department, and the name of this department is Raman Bhavan. Raman Bhavan, and here if you want to study physics and electronics, so all the physics and electronic classes are running here. So students come to every day and they take the class here, and this is very big university because there are more than 1000 college artists from this university. So this is very big university, and it is spread overall more than 1 kilometer and one kilometer square area. And it if you want to do graduation, if you want to do any type of courses, so you can do from here. Every type of courses available in this university. And you can say this is the building which you seeing behind me. In this building my biotechnology classes is running, and if you are seeing this, I am going to show you some pictures, some sculptures which looks very nice. And so you can see behind me, this is the pictures, this is the sculptures of my university, this is the art of my university. Student make different type of sculpture, different type of item, and different type of shapes they make. You can look this beautiful image, you can look this beautiful picture. It looks very nice, and it is made by the student who is studying here. So I think they are very talented, they are very genius, because they have made so many things that looks very nice. This is the department of arts. So student who want to develop our art, who want to make something special in art, they come here and they made some special type of statue, some special type of something, whatever they want to make. So they make everything here. And the building which you are looking behind me, the name of this building, I think जीव जीव रसायन विज्ञान विभाग. If you want to come here, then if you will see that every type of courses is running in this university. And the sculpture which you seeing behind me, it is also a very famous sex. I don't know what is the name of this sex, but it is also the design of this sculpture is also very nice, very good. And so I think it looks very nice. And so I am going to ask you, yes, some question about the university in Hindi language, not in the language, in English language, because I am learning English through this YouTube. And yes, I also want to learn English. So I will ask to yes some question in English. He will try to give me the answer. Of course, if he will do any type of mistake, then ignore that type of mistake, because we are learning English. So if we do any type of mistake, then don't focus, ignore and avoid that type of mistake. So yes, first tell me to my audience that in which class do you study? I mean, what type of the courses you are pursuing? So yes, so which type of courses are you pursuing?
Actually, myself, yes, I am also study with Aman BSc third year last. This is my last sem, 6th sem, and in my 6th sem I obtained BSc Computer Science and Mathematics.
Okay, so yes, I want to ask you some general question. Can you should try to give me the answer of that question in English form. So the name of this university is the, as you know, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Awadh Vishwavidyalaya, which is located in Ayodhya. So can you tell me some information? So I will ask him that who was the Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia, and that's why the name of this university became Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia. So can you tell me others who was the Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia?
Uh,
He was.
as we know, he was the great freedom fighter of the India.
Yeah, so as Yash told me that he was very great person. He contributed to develop in India. He contributed every type of effort. He did too much struggle through his life, and he was very good freedom fighter of India. And now I am going to ask you, yes, that yes, if anyone student want to take the admission in this university, so can you tell me what is the process?
First, yeah, you have to apply campus,
The campus form.
yeah, campus form,
Yeah,
and
and
then
then after the 1 month counseling come, I think.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah, you
yeah.
are right.
So then
Then
you can get admission through this process.
yeah.
So it's very busy. There is no entrance exam happening in this university.
Some courses as PG level, you can say, like MSc.
Yeah, if you want to take admission in higher class, higher education,
Yeah.
so you need to give the entrance examination. But if you want to take the BSc level admission, BA level admission, so there is no type of the exam you there is this university is conducted.
Yeah.
So it is good thing. But yes, I am going to ask you, if anyone one student want to complete his BSc from Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Awadh University, so how much money per year he have to afford?
For BSc student, 24,850 rupees annual fees, and for second year and third year, 23,100 fees required here to studying BSc. For BA course, I think adding counseling fee in first year, approx 11,000, and
Okay.
second year and third year it reduce and become 9,600 annual fee.
Okay, okay. Thanks, Yusuf. Thanks so much. So as just told us that if you want to complete your BSc from this university, then near than 24,000 money per year you have to spend in this money. You have to submit your fees. So I would like to ask you, yes. So how much scholarship does come every year?
Yeah. uh, uh, I want to say, we don't worry about our college or campus fee, because our scholarship also written same as 23,000 approx, 23,000 for general category, and I think 26,000 to 27,000 for general OBC or SC categories return come back. For BA student, where fees is 9,600, it comes as a scholarship, approx 10,000 to 12,000
Okay, okay,
rupees.
okay. As just told us that if you want to do BSc from here, and if you are worried about your fees, so don't worry about fee, because your whole scholarship come after 4 months when you will apply. So all the scholarship will come with same amount if you had submitted that. Uh, 23,000, so whole the money will come back. Don't worry about the scholarship. So I would like to ask to yes, one more question. So yes, can you tell me, there is only one university around 4 5 district, or any other university is located in 4 5 district around the Ayodhya?
uh, I think
I think this is the only one university
yeah,
which is located to our 4 to 5 district.
and it is
And
best university.
yeah, it is best university. If you want to study more, then you can come. But so many so many person has uploaded on the YouTube video that and he was telling that the mm, the study level of the Ayodhya, the study level of the UP is not too much good because there is no good college available there. But it is wrong. There are so many good college available here. If you want to study with good manner, so teacher help you a lot. Teacher help you every way. So they try to reach you at that position wherever you want to go. So don't worry, if you want to study more, then you can come in this university. And but one thing is also, because when you go to university education, then your mind divert to some negative things. So try to control yourself, try to avoid distraction from outside and focus on your study. Then you can do well, because all the syllabus is same. Every university, the if a BHU university is teaching something, so he is teaching from the syllabus. Same syllabus is teaching here. So everything is same everywhere. If you want to study good manner, then you can study. You can come in this university and you can study. So I would like to go some. First, I would like to show you something more thing. This is the department which you are looking behind me. This is also very big department, and here the microbiology classes is running here. And you can see there is so many vehicles standing front of the gate. The vehicles is of my professor sir and so many faculty which is doing work here. And so I stop to my video, and I will see you in the next video. And if you find any type of mistake, then you can avoid, because we are learning English on the YouTube, so you can avoid our mistake. So so before I stop video, I would like to talk one more person, and the person, my best friend is Sandeep. I would like to talk him, but he is saying that I can't able to speak in English. He want to speak in Hindi. So try, but I want to listen his English language. So I am going to Sandeep and I will ask him some question. So Sandeep, don't take nervous, don't frustrated, don't sad, and be patient, be careful. Give the answer of my question. That's why my audience can learn from you. So first, Sandeep, tell me, what are you doing here from this university?
In PSC program in third year.
Okay. So I told you before some minute that Sandeep want to speak in Hindi. But because he can't able to speak in English, but he tried to speak in English. So don't focus the English on the English of Sandeep. So Sandeep, I want to ask one more question. What did you learn from this university after the 12th? Because you in your school you have learned so many things. So what did you learn in this university?
In university, my brother का
देखने को बहुत कुछ मिला है.
अच्छा कुछ हो?
Yeah, speak.
So in Ram Manohar Lohia Awadh Vishwavidyalaya in Ayodhya.
Yeah, you learn so many things like that. क्या क्या सीखे तुम यहाँ से?
जैसे कि एक कॉलेज लाइफ एंड
संस्कार के से बहुत सारे चीज़ हम लोग बाहरी दुनिया से अवगत नहीं थे. कॉलेज डायरेक्ट विश्वविद्यालय में आने के बाद बहुत सारी चीज़ों का पता चलता है. बिकॉज व्हेन वी वाज लिविंग इन विलेज एंड व्हेन वी कम फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सिटी, सो इट वेरी बिग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द स्कूल लेवल टू द यूनिवर्सिटी, because all the things have changed within few seconds. So it's very difficult task for all of us to handle all situations. But and I learned so many things which I don't know before coming from in this university. So I stopped to make my video, and I will see you in the next video.